Alright guys, here we go. Number 7 premium mini helmet. Let's get it. Let's go and see what number we got here. 5 times for 5 times. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times, and 22. 22, 22, 22. Alright. Okay. No, I just get cups. Yeah. Raising the bar in here. Alright, 22 guys. 22, here we go. Alright, Corey 4, Randy with 6. Kevin 2, Dan Murphy 2, Eric Daniels 2, Craig 2, Randy 4, Eric Daniels with 6, Savannah 2, and Chester with 2. 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. Alright, Randy, you're on top. Randy, you're on the bottom. 5 times. Alright, group you guys together. Chester, Boys, Eagles. Corey, Panthers, Chiefs, Giants, Jets. Craig Pollock, Falcons, Bears. Dan Murphy, Lions, Pats. Eric Daniels, Bengals, Broncos, Dolphins, Saints, Raiders, Titans, Browns, Seahawks. Kevin, Ravens, Rams. Randy, Cardinals, Bills, Packers, Falcons, Colts, Jags, Vikings, Steelers, Chargers, Redskins. Savannah, 69ers, and the Buccaneers. What's that, Keith? Alright, 7 left in value basketball. Okay. Oh, it's all good, man. Alright, guys, no trades. Here we go. Another Barry Sanders. We'll see. It is Alvin Kamara, matte black. Kamara, matte black, flat black. Nice gold ink there. M12 or M29462. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. New Orleans Saints going to EDH. Nice hit going to EDH. Alright, Eric, there you go, boss. Nice Alvin Kamara, flat black. Nothing but gas in the premium minis and premium jerseys, guys. And we got premium packs. A lot of new series. Hopefully next week I'll have the basketball done next Monday. So a week from Monday. Should maybe 2 weeks. We'll see. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Randy Myers, free spot in the bonus break. Alright, man. Randy Myers. That was number 7, premium mini. Get your premium minis while you can, guys. They go quick, then won't have them for probably a while. Alright, premium mini. There it goes. Very cool, very cool. EDH, nice hit, man. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. TriStar Minis up next. Thank you, thank you. Have a good one.